Hi guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. This is a quick video to explain MG's Find My Car function that's available for most MG vehicles in New Zealand and Australia. In some other markets, you'll find similar products or similar functions as well. In New Zealand and Australian market, only the MG3 does not come with this particular feature. All the other cars, all the way from ZS, ZST, and ZS EV to the HS, to the HS PHEV, they all come with these particular features. So to go into check the Find My Car function, you need to find this car setting, or in some other vehicles, you may need to go into vehicle setting. So whatever, just find the car setting or vehicle setting. You want to go comfort and convenience in this particular version, or in some other vehicles you need to go into the lighting or something other things. Anyway, when you see this Find My Car, you'll be able to locate this function, and then you have two selections. One is lights and horn, the other is lights, which I'll explain that for you. So if your vehicle is locked for more than 5 to 10 minutes, something like that, and then you are outside the car park, you can't find your vehicle, you can't locate your vehicle at all. Now what you want to do, you want to grab your car key, which is something like this, or any other car key you have. As long as the vehicle is fully locked, the engine is off, then it's in the car park, it's in the signal range, you just simply tap this lock button from distance, and what the vehicle will do for you is it will give you feedback, either lights or lights and horn altogether. So wherever you choose, basically, if you go to lights, it's only gonna flash all the flashing lights, and then it will wait until you come back. And then if you do lights and horn, it means it will flash lights and then give you beeps, like horn beeps. It's quite loud, but at least it will help you to locate the vehicle. Now I'm gonna demonstrate that from outside, and once it's locked more than, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna click the lock button. As you can see, the warning has come off, the lights and horn, and the only way to disengage it is to press the unlock button, just like that. So once you unlocked it, obviously the alarm or whatever the Find My Car system will disengage. Then you can relock again, or you can find your vehicle, stuff like that. Alright, that's that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this content helpful, please make sure you subscribe and like. That would be really helpful for this small channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.